Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best tremolo block is probably one of the most underappreciated components on your electric guitar, but trust me, it plays a massive role in your instrument's tone and sustain. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tremolo blocks, exploring what they are, how they work, and why choosing the right one can seriously elevate your playing experience. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your tremolo system. Number 5. Floyd Rose Tremolo Setup Blocks. Are you struggling with your floating tremolo? These blocks are designed to make the setup process much easier. It will save you time and frustration. This set helps you set up your Floyd Rose or Fender Stratocaster style tremolo quickly. It transforms your tremolo into a hardtail for easy tuning and setup. These blocks make tuning and setup a breeze. Once everything is set, they drop out, allowing for a true floating tremolo experience. This set includes 4 sizes to fit almost every floating tremolo configuration. It's designed to be versatile and compatible with many guitars. The blocks are made from solid mahogany. They are proudly made in the USA. What we like. This tremolo block makes setting up your floating tremolo a breeze. It quickly converts your tremolo to a hardtail for easy tuning and setup. If you are a guitarist who struggles with tremolo setups, this is a must-have. What people say. With these little carefully made blocks of wood, it's nothing. It's positively easy, and it just flat works perfectly every time. A great example of a product that is simple in concept, but deceptively brilliant in execution. I followed along with the video, and on the first try, in less than 15 minutes, I had my guitar rest-rung, in tune, and with a perfectly level bridge. This is a set of 4 blocks in different sizes which will definitely come in handy down the road on future guitars, or if I ever get around to upgrading the EVH branded Floyd Specials. Poor excuse for a sustain block. Number 4. Tremolo Stopper. This is a meticulously crafted brass block. It's designed to enhance your instrument's performance. You'll find it's a key component for stability. The package includes an inner hexagon screw. This screw is essential for secure installation. It ensures everything stays in place. 2 mounting screws are provided for easy setup. These screws are designed to fit perfectly. They make the installation process straightforward. An Allen key is included for your convenience. This tool is all you need to tighten the screws. It makes the whole process simple. With this product, you can improve the stability of your instrument. It's a simple yet effective upgrade. It will make a difference in your playing. What we like. This tremolo stopper is simple yet effective. It includes everything you need for installation. If you are looking for a straightforward solution to stabilize your tremolo, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked as designed. It's well made, and I like that it had 2 holes instead of the slot opening like the official Floyd Rose stopper. This device is as simple as can be, looking at the pics should verify that. Number 3. Dopro 30-pack Stainless Steel Tremolo Bridge. These insert blocks are made of SUS 304 stainless steel. It is highly resistant to corrosion, so you don't have to worry about rust. This is a great upgrade for your tremolo system. This product fits original Floyd Rose, 1000 series, and special series tremolos. It also works with many Floyd Rose licensed tremolos. It's designed to be a versatile solution for your needs. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. This means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. You can rely on it for consistent performance. This is a great upgrade for your Floyd Rose tremolo system. It enhances the performance and extends the lifespan of your instrument. It is a worthwhile investment. The package includes 30 insert blocks. Please note that the tremolo bridge itself is not included. Make sure it fits your specific tremolo system. What we like. These blocks are made of stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust. They are a great upgrade for your Floyd Rose tremolo. If you are tired of rusty blocks and want improved durability, consider these. What people say. Fit right in the saddle and worked great. They fit perfectly, seem to go in better than the original screws, and should last longer than the regular stock screw because they won't oxidize as fast. This product contains 30 pieces of stainless steel, silver, chrome matching bridge system, locking nut bolts. It also contains 30 pieces of Floyd Rose-style bridge saddle replacement bolts, to adjust saddle placement for intonation of the bridge. I originally thought I was purchasing locking nut bolts only, so the additional saddle bolts were a bonus. I have to say I am very pleased with the quality of the machine's parts as well as the amount of pieces this order contains. They are not colored at all, but I would still recommend this purchase if you have a black, titanium, or gold bridge on your guitar. There are no burrs, the hex key fits snugly into each bolt, the threads are perfect, and the material quality is strong steel. The likelihood of stripping these bolts is extremely low. Not to mention having steel bolts on your guitar's locking nut will add to sustain. Number 2. Fender Stratocaster Tremolo Assembly. This tremolo assembly is built to last. It features nickel-plated steel construction, which means it can withstand wear and tear. This ensures it stays in great condition, even with regular use. It's designed to fit many Stratocaster models. This includes Standard, Deluxe, Roadhouse, Lone Star, and Blacktop models from 2006 to the present. Installation is easy, ensuring a perfect fit. The assembly includes intonation screws and springs. These allow for precise adjustments to the string length. This ensures accurate tuning and optimal sound quality across the fretboard. It comes with saddle height adjustment screws. These allow you to customize the string height. This provides enhanced playability and comfort, tailored to your preferences. The saddles are stamped with Fender. This contributes to the classic Stratocaster sound. It delivers vintage aesthetics and tonal characteristics that discerning players will appreciate. What we like. This tremolo assembly offers enhanced durability with its nickel-plated steel construction. It's designed for a seamless fit on various Stratocaster models. If you are looking to upgrade your Stratocaster's tremolo system with a focus on durability and precise intonation, this is a great choice. What people say. Tremolo Block is a great upgrade. The sustain is improved. The tremolo arm feels great. Number 1. TremBlock Floating Bridge String Changing Tool. Introducing the TremBlock, the ultimate tool for effortless string changes. This innovative device simplifies the process, saving you time and frustration. Crafted from durable plastic, this tool is built to last. It's designed to withstand regular use, ensuring it remains a reliable part of your guitar maintenance kit. The TremBlock features a soft pad on its bottom side. This design protects your guitar's finish from scratches during use, preserving its pristine condition. With its tapered edge, the TremBlock offers easy insertion. This feature allows it to slide smoothly into place, making string changes a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of string changes. This tool makes the process quick and easy, allowing you to get back to playing your guitar sooner. What we like. This tool simplifies string changes on your floating bridge. It's made of durable plastic with a soft pad to protect your guitar. If you like a simple and effective tool to make string changes easier, you should consider it. What people say. It functions exactly like it's supposed to. Every FR user should have this in their toolbox. It's like night and day, easy to use, and you do not damage your paint. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.